gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hello, welcome to the channel. This is Trina Claiborne, your 4C hair transformation coach. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. Yes, I know we're in my kitchen. I'm not sure which video you clicked on first, but I did upload 3 videos. And this is one of the videos that is going to my new playlist called Recipes for Massive Hair Growth. Now, I'm not going to go into that on this video because all of that is shared on the video that has the diet transformation for massive hair growth ebook on the front. So take a look at that. So what I want to share with you in this video, because I am creating a list of videos for that playlist, and this particular video is a video that I uploaded on my other YouTube channel. It's called the Kingdom Lifestyle Coaching channel. That channel is on hiatus for now because that is my purpose, but those videos take me a lot longer to upload, and so this hair channel, I can get that one up and running, because when I first started YouTube, I was trying to do 2 channels, still working a 9-to-5. I don't recommend that at all. So you need to focus on one, and so that's what I did, because I can grow this channel a lot faster. So with that said, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, like, and comment, because that will help the channel grow. But in this video, and if you do want to see the full video from the other channel, I'll put the link so that you can see the full video, because for this channel, I have edited the video. It is a little bit shorter, and it's focused on the recipe in itself. And this is a recipe that has to do with black beans. And if you don't know, now you know, but every recipe that I upload to this playlist is going to support all the information that you can find in the diet transformation for massive hair growth. So if you haven't gotten your copy, get your copy. It's going to be 25% off until January 25, 2025. Get it? 2025, 25, 25. I think you get it. But anyway, check out the video. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. So check out this recipe. Did you know scalp massages have been scientifically proven to not only increase hair growth, but to increase hair thickness due to massive blood flow? Well, despite its effectiveness, applying the correct massaging techniques and being consistent can help 10x your hair growth goals with scalp massages. That is exactly what the Grow Band Pro by HairGuard can bring to your hair routines to help you meet your goals. It is a patent-pending automatic scalp massager that allows you to massage your scalp while completing your to-do list, making consistency a breeze. The massage method is moving the scalp over skull to manipulate the fascia to stimulate massive blood flow at the dermal layer. Now, if you've been looking for a natural hair growth hack, well, this is it. There's no side effects, you have long-term results, and it's a one-time purchase. Now, to take advantage of the 60-day trial, simply scan the QR code so you can stack this hack and watch your hair grow down your back like crazy. Now back to the video. Now, the good thing about this recipe today, a lot of the ingredients are interchangeable, so that every time you make this dish, you don't have to stick to the same ingredients that you used the last time. So I'm not sure what to call it. It does not have any meat in this version of it, but like I said, I am 90 to 95% now plant-based, organic fruit, seeds, and vegetables. So this recipe, you can add the meat in if you would like, and just not have it at every meal. So for this recipe, we're going to go over all the ingredients. First of all, I'm going to share with you some of the things that I keep in my cupboard Now, this is something, some of you may be familiar with this. This is Bragg Amino, liquid aminos. Now, what I love about this is that it's packed with a lot of flavor. It kind of reminds you of soy and Worcestershire sauce, minus the high sodium content, and of course it has protein in it. And what I love about this, when you're doing a liquid type seasoning, this is perfect. You can put it in your soups. You can put it on your meats if you're still having meats. You can marinate your vegetables on it. You can add it to your sauces to give it a whole new flavor. I absolutely love this, and he knows I got it in the big bottle, and so I never run out of that. Another seasoning that I love is cumin. Now, I put this on a lot of my vegetables, especially the beans. I use that a lot. And of course, onion powder and garlic powder. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Now, all right, so we got cumin, we got onion powder, garlic powder. Now, another one that I love, you know, like I said, I am from Louisiana. This is Cajun seasoning. Now, I got this one because they didn't have the blackening seasoning. That's the one that I love the most, but because they didn't have that, these two taste pretty similar. Now, I must admit, these Cajun seasoning and the blackening seasoning, they will have a high salt content in them. So, if that is an issue for you, if salt is an issue, you have high blood pressure and you're trying to work on reducing that, but you love the flavor of this, then what I would recommend is that you do two things. Well, I thought I had some cayenne pepper, but if you love the Cajun seasoning and you have a salt issue, here's what I recommend you do. Take something like Mrs. Dash lemon pepper, because it has no salt in it, but it'll give you that twang that you're looking for, and add cayenne pepper. So those combination will give you almost the same flavor as the Cajun seasoning or the jerk seasoning or blackening seasoning. I like all three of those, Cajun, jerk, and blackening seasoning, because they have their popping with flavor. Now, the other thing is, if you like something a little smoky, you can get the organic smoked paprika. That's another seasoning that I love to have. And then, of course, crushed red pepper flakes. That's something that you can get almost anywhere, right? There you go. So those are some of the spices. Those are some of my staple spices that I love to have on hand at all times. This dish is going to be very, very hearty. And what I mean by that is that it's going to have a lot of vegetables, a lot of flavor, and because it's void of meat, the ingredient that we're going to be using today is black beans. Now, today I'm using the canned version of it. Now, I do have my own black bean recipe. In terms of this versus my recipe, of course, is extremely spicy. So what I'm going to do with this, with these beans, I'm going to put the spices from my recipe in this and let it marinate overnight. So I'll feel like I made these beans, and I love these because, of course, they are organic. And what it says in the ingredients, I love what it says in the ingredients. I'm not sure if you can see that right there. The ingredient says organic black beans, water, and sea salt. That's it. Simple. No pesticides, coloring, none of that. So I was okay with buying this. And it will decrease my cooking time, but I'm going to infuse my own flavors in it and let it sit overnight. And we're going to get carbohydrates with the wild organic rice. And of course, we're going to have a little bit of fat in there because I'll be putting some olive oil in there. And then I'll have more vegetables. I like doing the fire roasted tomatoes. Now, because these are already cooked, what I like to do with these, I put these in my dish last, and I don't let them cook too much because they're already seasoning. And I'll show you how I kick up the seasoning in this one. I always buy the fire roasted one because it has roasted garlic with it as well. So that's like more plants that I'm getting into this recipe. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed the video, and do let me know if you tried the video, because what we're going to be doing with these recipes are creating recipes that you can change out ingredients to the things that you love. So let me know what you think about the recipe. If you plan on making it, if you have a recipe that's similar to that, I would love to hear what it is that you're doing to help with your healthy hair goals. The one good thing about doing this moving forward is that we'll have a diet that'll support our hair goals, and then it makes it easier for all the products that we're using to put on, and so your hair don't have to fight to try to be healthy and look good and grow longer and be stronger, those types of things. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will look forward to seeing you on the next video.